Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can hide your liked videos on TikTok. So right now you can see the heart icon on my TikTok over here. It's going to take you to my liked videos, and all this liked videos is public, which means anybody who's following my TikTok account can just come in my profile and see the videos which I have liked. But today I will teach you guys how you guys can hide this, which means make it in such a way that only you can see it. So follow the steps which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. The first thing, you want to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're inside your TikTok profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right. Once you click on the three line, you want to click on the last option called settings and privacy. Now once you're inside settings and privacy, the second option where it says privacy, you want to click on it. Now once you're inside TikTok's privacy setting, what you want to do is scroll a bit down until you see this option called liked videos. Once you see the option liked videos, click on it and it's going to show you two options. So it says who can watch your liked videos. So if your everyone is selected, then everyone who follows you or who doesn't follows you, basically people who can see your profile will be able to see the videos which you have liked. So that is what this feature does. So if you tick mark only me, then basically you have just hidden your liked videos on TikTok, which means only you should be able to see your liked videos on TikTok. So if you want to hide your liked videos on TikTok, just make sure the second option which says only me is selected and you can go back. Now as you guys can see, the heart icon is not only heart icon, there's an eye right beside the heart icon which is crossed. It means that my liked videos are private now. So that's how you guys can hide your liked videos on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more TikTok related videos just like this. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.